this is Falita and today we are going to be discussing the Ayurvedic remedies for cough and cold. Well, cough and cold are a wide phenomenon and everybody has cough and cold almost once a year at least. So what is the reason for cough and cold? In Ayurvedic sciences, the increase in the kapha dosha causes cough and cold. Cough usually follows a cold. Now, colds and coughs are usually caused by dust and pollution, consumption of really stale food, and habits such as smoking, excessive workout, and the likes. Ayurvedic treatment is especially helpful in cutting down the pathogens that lead to cold and cough. While allopathy concentrates on only suppressing the cough, Ayurveda treatment goes to the root cause and helps try to solve the problem there by decreasing the kapha, that is the mucus that forms in your glands. Ayurvedic treatment is best known to be the best remedy for coughs and colds. This is because Ayurveda provides all sorts of home remedies which are easily available in your very own kitchen. Now let us discuss some of the remedies that Ayurveda provides for coughs and colds. Now, you all know pepper, ginger, tulsi, neem, cloves, and honey. These are the effective remedies that can be used to solve cough and cold issues. Also note that if you have chronic cough due to pollution or pollen allergy, then you can use giloy juice along with water early in the morning for effective treatment. If you have persistent cough, then make this concoction out of pomegranate juice, ginger and pipali for effective relief. As a very easy remedy which is also tasty, you can warm milk, add half a teaspoon of turmeric in it and some ginger, some pepper powder along with honey. This tastes great and is very effective to cure throat sores as well as cough. Remember that Ayurvedic practitioners also provide some churnas for effective cure of cough and cold. These churnas include Sitopaladi churna and Talisadi churna. These churnas can be mixed with clove powder for effective relief from cough and cold. Remember that you can get the kapha dosha in your body if you do not regulate your diet. Ayurveda mainly focuses on diet modification to improve your health. Therefore, we suggest that you include more of hot foods into your diet, and people suffering from cough and cold and kapha dosha must always avoid drinking cold water, eating cold products such as ice cream and processed or cold fruit juices. Remember that in order to eliminate colds and coughs from your life, your diet modification is very important. Try to include more wheat, rice, barley, millets, black gram, green gram as well as horse gram into your diet. Remember that hot soups along with garlic, which are non-vegetarian, and a little bit of black pepper which is crushed into the soup can be really effective for curing your sore throat as well as coughs. We recommend the use of chicken, fish, mutton into your diet. If you are suffering from a vata cough, then we recommend the use of one form of old liquor. We also recommend that you include in your diet goat's milk, old ghee, brinjal and poppy seeds. If you are suffering from dry cough, it can be very painful and it comes with a certain type of sound. In this case, we recommend the use of some Ayurvedic herbs. These Ayurvedic herbs are shatavari, ashwagandha, comfrey root, and additionally you may also use marshmallows. Let me leave you with some instant remedies that Ayurveda suggests for curing cough and cold. One of these instant remedies are honey. You can take 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey daily before you have your meals in order to cure cough. Additionally, another remedy that is very useful is tulsi. You can grind tulsi or chew the leaves however you feel comfortable. If the taste of tulsi is very bland for you, you may also use it with a bit of salt and pepper. Remember that you can always steam with hot water along with a few drops of eucalyptus oil, also known as Nilgiri Thailam, in order to clear your respiratory tract. The easiest way that you can cure your cold or cough at home is by brewing yourself some very tasty masala chai. By adding some very regular spices like cinnamon, cloves, elaichi, honey as well as ginger, you can brew yourself some very tasty masala chai. This is a very effective Ayurvedic remedy for all your sore throat, coughs and colds. When you have a cough or a cold, we know that you might also be suffering with a sore throat. One effective cure for sore throat is a warm salt water gargle. Just mix 2 tablespoons of salt in lukewarm water and gargle for up to 5 to 6 times a day for effective relief from all sorts of sore throats. Dear viewers, we hope that today's session was useful for all of you, and we hope that you learned some very effective home remedies in order to cure your cough and cold, which is very common nowadays. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.